Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 15 for Boost Mobile. So the iPhone 15 is now here at Boost Mobile. Y'all guys will have 5 colors to choose from here, 3 storage options, 128 gigs for $829.99, 256 gigabytes, $929.99, or 512 gigabytes, $1129.99. So two colors are not in stock as I'm recording this video here. Y'all guys will have black, pink, and blue color options as I'm recording this video here. Yeah, there is the iPhone 15. Y'all guys got your cut up for your dynamic island there. Power button on the right side of the phone. Volume keys on the left side of the phone. Dual camera setup, camera flash, Apple logo, and whatnot. There's the right side power button. There's a closer look at the dual camera setup. Power button right there too on the right side. There is front, back, and whatnot. And there it is in the 5 colors. It says Dynamic Island stays on top of it all. So there you go. Dynamic Island stays on top of it all. Durable color infused glass and aluminum design. A16 Bionic, a proven powerhouse. Charging as easy as USB-C. Awesome all-day battery life and 48 megapixel camera, super high resolution photos, 2x telephoto. Alright, and there is what's included in the box. Is of course you guys will get your iPhone 15 and your Type-C charging cable. That is new this year. So yeah. So the iPhone 15 has a 6.1 inch display, 48 megapixel main camera, 20 hours of video time, and iOS 17 on board. It says iPhone 15 brings you Dynamic Island, a 48 megapixel main camera, and USB-C, all in a durable color infused glass and aluminum design. Features: iPhone 15. There it is. Dynamic Island stays on top of it all. Durable color infused glass and aluminum design. 6.1 inch display. 48 megapixel main camera, super high resolution photos, 2x telephoto, next gen portraits, all day battery life for all the things you want to keep going. You get up to 20 hours of video playback on the iPhone 15. A16 Bionic chip, a proven powerhouse, charging as easy as USB-C. So that is a plus. In an emergency, iPhone has your back. Roadside assistance via satellite. Join the emergency SOS via satellite and crash detection. So that's a very nice feature to have. It says the enclosure of iPhone 15 has 95% recycled aluminum, so that is very cool, saving the planet and whatnot. You guys can compare the different iPhones to see which iPhone is right for you. So you guys can check out the different specs and features for each iPhone and see which one is right for you. The iPhone 15 has a 6.1 inch Super Retina XDR display. So yeah. So all the iPhones this year, all the iPhone 15s, they have Dynamic Island this year. That's included on all the iPhones this year. So yeah, A16 Bionic chip with 5-core GPU. So yeah. Face ID, of course. 5G, of course. Designed to make a difference. Privacy, that's iPhone. From passkeys to privacy reports to the health app. iPhone helps keep you in control of what you share. iPhone for all. iPhone contains built-in accessibility features like magnifier, voice over, and assistive access, which helps users with cognitive disabilities tailor apps and experiences. So that is very nice. Easy to upgrade, simple to switch. upgrading from another iPhone, just put your old iPhone next to your new one, and with a few taps you can transfer your data automatically. Switching from an Android phone, when you buy a new iPhone, the move to iOS app makes it easy to transfer your photos, contacts, and more. Specs, y'all guys have a 6.1 inch durable glass, durable color infused glass, and aluminum design with ceramic sealed front. Built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, video time up to 20 hours, fast charge, of course, A16 Bionic chip with 5-core GPU, iOS 17, of course. The iPhone 15 weighs 6.02 ounces. Cameras, y'all guys have an advanced dual camera system, 48 megapixel main, ultra wide super high resolution photos, 24 and 48 megapixels. Next generation portraits with focus and depth control. 3 storage options: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigabytes of storage. Of course, y'all guys get 5G, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, USB-C, and Apple Pay. Dimensions on the iPhone 15: 5.81 inches height, 2.82 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. What's included with the iPhone 15 is your iPhone 15 and your USB-C charging cable, and that is it. So stand it soft there. So yeah, you'll need a Type-C charging port. It's a Type-C charger adapter, so get one of those. And so yeah. So yeah, do you guys have the iPhone 15? It's now here at Boost Mobile. Y'all guys have it in 3 storage options: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigabytes, $829, $929, or $1129 respectively. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.